Hi guys, today we have a 2020 Ford Escape. This is the hybrid model. So I'm going to show you how to reset the oil light for this vehicle. It's pretty simple. We're going to do this quick and easy. So we're going to be using these buttons here on the side of the steering wheel. Okay, first of all, right now the vehicle is running. We're going to go ahead and press the OK button. And we're going to scroll down using the arrow button. We're going to scroll all the way down to settings. Right here, we're going to go ahead and press OK. And then you can see oil life. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and press the OK button. And you can see oil life 17%. Hold OK to reset. We're going to go ahead and hold the button down. You can see the timer counting and the life should be reset. Now, if we press the OK button one more time, you can see it's at 100%. That's pretty much it. Let's go ahead and back out of here. Press the back button. Go back to where you were. And we're all done. Alright guys, hopefully that was easy enough. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Catch you next time. Take care.